Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to edit a muted word on X, previously known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This feature recently got a small update, and the steps are now a little different, so let's go through them together step by step. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. Make sure you've signed into your account so you can access your settings. Once the homepage loads, look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the More icon. This will open a small menu with extra options related to your account. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. From there, select Privacy and Safety. This section controls everything related to how you interact with content and what you see on your timeline, including muted words and blocked accounts. After that, look for Mute and Block. Click on it and then choose Muted Words. Here you'll see a list of all the words, phrases, or hashtags you've chosen to mute in the past. These are the ones X hides from your notifications and timeline depending on your settings. Now, to edit a muted word, simply click on the word you want to change. This will open a new window where you can modify that word's settings. You can adjust where the mute applies, like in your home timeline or notifications, or how long you want it to stay muted. You can also change the exact word or phrase itself. Once you've made your changes, click Save. X will update your preferences instantly and your new mute settings will be applied right away. This simple process helps you fine-tune your experience, making sure your feed stays clean and focused on the content you actually want to see. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit muted words on XWeb using your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more quick tutorials that make navigating X even easier.